Welcome back to Young Founders Club. If you're looking for ways to build a successful business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of fleet car businesses, a highly profitable industry that offers a lot of flexibility and opportunities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-fledged company, stick around because we're covering everything you need to know to get started. Starting a fleet car business may sound intimidating, but don't worry. We're breaking it down into easy, actionable steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to plan, fund, and grow your fleet car business. Plus, we'll share some of the best tools and resources to streamline the process. So let's get started. Step 1. Understand the fleet car business. Before jumping in, it's important to understand what a fleet car business is. Essentially, you're providing vehicles for businesses or individuals who need them on a short or long-term basis. Your clients could range from delivery companies to corporate employees to rideshare drivers. The key is to focus on demand and reliable service. Step 2. Research your market. Every successful business starts with research. Ask yourself, who needs vehicles in your area? Is there a high demand for delivery vans, sedans, or luxury cars? Check local competitors and identify gaps in their services. Pro tip: use tools like SEMrush or Google Trends to identify local demand and target audiences. Step 3. Create a business plan. Your business plan is your roadmap to success. Include key sections like 1. Your target audience. 2. Initial investment and funding sources. 3. Fleet size and vehicle types. 4. Marketing and growth strategies. Use tools like LifePlan or BizPlan to craft a professional business plan that's ready to share with investors or lenders. Step 4. Secure financing. Next up is financing. Starting a fleet car business can require a significant upfront investment, especially for vehicle purchases. Here are some financing options. 1. Small business loans through banks or online lenders like Fundera or Cabbage. 2. Vehicle leasing or purchasing through programs like Enterprise Fleet Management. 3. Crowdfunding or angel investors if you want to avoid loans. Pro tip: look into government grants for small business owners in your area. Step 5. Build your fleet. Now comes the fun part: building your fleet. Start small and scale up as demand grows. Consider these points. 1. Buy or lease vehicles that fit your niche market. 1. For example, delivery vans for couriers or sedans for corporate rentals. 2. Prioritize fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs to maximize profits. 3. Use vehicle management tools like Samsara or Fleetio to track mileage, fuel usage, and maintenance schedules. Step 6. Market your business. Marketing is key to attracting clients. Here are some strategies to try. 1. Build a professional website using platforms like Wix or Squarespace to showcase your fleet and services. 2. Leverage Google Ads and local SEO to rank in searches like fleet car rental near me. 3. Create partnerships with local businesses like delivery companies or corporate offices. Pro tip: use social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn to showcase your vehicles and build trust. Step 7. Manage operations. Once your business is up and running, smooth operations are crucial. Consider these tools to stay organized. 1. QuickBooks for financial management. 2. Fleetio for vehicle tracking and maintenance. 3. DocuSign to streamline client agreements and contracts. Always prioritize excellent customer service to build long-term relationships and gain referrals. And there you have it. Starting a fleet car business isn't just about having cars. It's about having a solid plan, the right tools, and a commitment to customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Young Founders Club. Let us know in the comments. What's your biggest takeaway from today's video? For tools, templates, and resources to get started, check the links in the description below. Let's make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.